Welcome to Summers with Nosh, and I am so excited to introduce the series with you wherein I share everything related to the summer season. Make sure you subscribe to my channel to see more episodes of this kind. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you're new here, hi, my name is Anushka and this is my YouTube channel. Today's episode is all about skincare. Today's episode is for my girlies and for the men as well. This is a truly non sponsored, a truly unfiltered video. So, without any further ado, let's get into the video. I literally have a lot of products to showcase. I have a lot to share with you guys. Before I start with this video, I genuinely want to let you guys know that these products are made for my skin type. My skin type is sensitive. My skin type is acne prone. These products have worked wonders onto my skin. If you have a skin type other than me, maybe these products might not suit you. This is a disclaimer before we begin with the video. Okay, now as my skin type is very acne prone and very sensitive, I basically stick to these foaming cleansers, and I love foaming cleansers so much. Like, for me, they really do the job, and double cleansing is what I prefer. I have two cleansers which I use on a regular basis, and they do the job for me. Like, they do wonders to my skin. They are on a very high end, like they are high end skincare products. But if you do not want to spend so much and want to gain the same advantage on your skin, I have a fewer cheap alternatives for you guys. But let me show you what cleansers do I use right now on a daily basis, especially for the summer season. Now, when I say my skin is oily, my skin is a combination skin and my skin is sensitive. Three at the same time, I literally mean it. This is the CeraVe cleanser that I use. This is the foaming cleanser. The bottle is almost over. This cleanser is for 1150 rupees. It says that it cleanses and removes the oil without disrupting the protective skin barrier of the face and body. Now, this is a cleanser that I'd received in the PR from CeraVe, and I thought I'd give it a try because this is for the combination and oily skin, and this is also a foaming cleanser. So I thought, why not to just give it a try, because I had been using the Cetaphil's foaming cleanser for quite a bit now, and I thought, why not to just give it a try. So I tried it and I loved it. Like, my skin literally thanks me every day. Like, my skin literally loved it. This is a bit on an expensive side, but if you can afford it, you can definitely go for it, because it is so good. And the cheaper alternative to this cleanser is the Cetaphil's foaming cleanser or the Cetaphil's gentle cleanser as well. मैं इससे पहले भी Cetaphil का वो gentle cleanser use करती थी. It was so good. Like, for the summer season, Cetaphil's gentle cleanser is the best. Like, it's the best. Now, if you ask me how much do I use this cleanser, कभी use करना चाहिए. So I use this in the morning while washing my face. जब foaming cleanser आप use करते हो, तब you have to make sure that you are not rubbing but gently massaging on your skin. Like, gently, you're not rubbing or you're not pressing it, because you're just removing all this, or you're just exfoliating all the skin barriers from your skin. You're not supposed to do that. You're just supposed to lightly scrub or lightly press onto your skin to remove all the excess oil that your skin might have. So what I usually do is, with this foaming cleanser, I go ahead in massaging this all over my skin and then wash it within 30 seconds with cold water. Like, you're not supposed to use hot water when you're using a foaming cleanser. It is so bad. It destroys your face and your skin to another level. So you have to make sure that you use cold water to wash your face. Apart from this cleanser, I also have one more cleanser which CeraVe does. They've recently launched this one, SA Smoothing Cleanser, which is for dry, bumpy and rough skin. But this cleanser did suit me to another level. Like, I use it on a regular basis now. And if you're having a very sensitive, acne prone, oily skin and your T-zone gets really very oily, I insist you guys to use the salicylic acid based cleanser. It really does the job. I mean, salicylic acid is to remove the excess oil from your skin. So I feel like salicylic acid, hyaluronic acid, which improves in your skin hydration, it really is very essential when you are buying a cleanser. So whenever I go to buy a cleanser, whenever I feel like switching from one cleanser to the other, I usually stick to these two agendas. One, it should contain hyaluronic acid, and the second one, it should contain salicylic acid, because salicylic acid is so very important for your skin if you have an oily or a combination skin. So when you're having a lot of makeup on your face, you can prefer using micellar water or maybe gentle makeup remover wipes. And the second most important thing is to cleanse your face. Hydrating cleanser is very much needed, like very much needed. So now, as we're talking on double cleansing, I have these two products that work great for my skin, that work great for me, and I've been loving using them. The first one is obviously this micellar water. So this micellar water is for sensitive skin, and this is made for my skin. Like, this is made for me, literally. So this comes in two variants. One is the yellow wala thing, which is the vitamin C one, and this is for sensitive skin. This is like an all-in-one micellar water. These cleansing wipes are so good when you are traveling. Now when I'm traveling and I do not have any makeup on, मुझे बस tired feel लग रहा है, I remove a wipe out of this, and ये Mars के जो wet wipes हैं वो बहुत ज़्यादा convenient है. You know what? और ज़्यादा अलग अलग brands के होते हैं, जैसे नायका के या फिर कलर बार के. उनका एक ऐसा प्लास्टिक का रैप होता है जिसपे आप निकालते हो फिर बंद करते हो. So slowly and gradually, once you start using them, चिपकना बंद हो जाता है and the wipes get dry. इधर ये flap को open करो बंद करो. This is so convenient. Like, this is the most convenient thing that I've ever seen. And this is for like 90 rupees or something. 30 wipes for 90 rupees, and the wipes are literally so big. But I feel like for removing makeup, I love micellar water so much. Now, the next product on my skincare list for the summers is moisturizer. Moisturizer plays a very important role, in case you guys do not know. मतलब मैं क्या बोलूँ, skincare के लिए moisturizer, yes please. I have this Cetaphil's moisturizer. I know ये बहुत ज़्यादा huge bottle है. This is from normal to combination and sensitive skin. This contains avocado oil. This contains essential vitamins, pro vitamin, whatever. ये बहुत मैं सालों से यूज कर रही हूँ. लिटरली जब भी मैंने स्किन केयर शुरू किया है तब से आई हैव दिस बॉटल राइट हियर विथ मी. कि यार इसका अभी छोटा वर्जन क्यों लूं मैं, अगर मुझे यूज ही करना है तो मैं बड़ा लेती हूँ. दिस इज एक्सपेंसिव. लाइक सेरावे के प्रोडक्ट्स बहुत ज्यादा एक्सपेंसिव होते हैं. सो दिस costed me around 1700 rupees for this big bottle. Like 1700 is a lot. If you want to spend on skincare and if you want good skincare products, if you want a glowing skin, please, मैं बोल रही हूँ तुम लोग को, ये लो. This is a gem of a product. But I have a fewer cheaper alternatives for you guys. One is the Dot & Key's Barrier Repair, moisturizer, which is the blue and white bottle. It works wonders on my skin as well, and I think it might suit every skin type in general. Like, for a moisturizer, it is so good. I just love it. It is so cheap. मतलब वो Dot & Key का जो moisturizer है, जो blue and white bottle है, it is the cheapest moisturizer available in the market. Also मैंने simple skincare brand के बारे में बहुत ज़्यादा सुना है. Cleansers, their moisturizers are so good, so efficient. मैंने personally use नहीं करा है तो मैं आपको review नहीं दे सकती. If you want, मैंने बहुत सुना है, तो I feel like if you want to give it a try, you can. But the cheaper alternative to this Cetaphil's moisturizing lotion would be the Dot & Key's Barrier Repair Moisturizer. It is the best. Now I personally sweat a lot, like a lot, and summers में मुझे ऐसा मन नहीं करता, कि मैं कोई एक moisturizer लेके थोप दूं face पे. I really do need a moisturizer, a good moisturizer, क्योंकि it really soothes your face. Now when you are applying makeup, when you remove your makeup, when you hydrate your skin with like a hydrating cleanser, or when you apply a cleanser in general, उसके बाद आपको ऐसा itchiness अगर feel हो तो moisturizer जरूर लगाना, because moisturizer literally soothes your face to another level which no other cream can possibly do. Moisturizer is your best friend, should be your best friend, even if you sweat a lot, because moisturizer is a moisturizer. Like I cannot get moisturizer out of my hair during the summers because moisturizer ke upar hi you apply your sunscreen. So sunscreen is very important, and my next product is going to be a sunscreen. Do you know? Do you know what this means? I have literally finished 3 to 4 bottles of this particular sunscreen, and I kid you not, this is the bestest sunscreen available in the market, and this is the cheapest ever, like the cheapest sunscreen ever. Dot & Key has the watermelon cooling sunscreen, which is with SPF 50. Now you do not have to consider a sunscreen which is less than SPF 50. Like, you do not want to consider that option only. You only have to stick to sunscreens which have SPF 50 in them. This is the most suitable sunscreen for my skin type because it has watermelon in it. It kind of cools down, it kind of gives you like a soothing effect on your skin. Sunscreen is the most important, like it should be a bestie. Now I know a lot of people say sunscreen से कुछ नहीं होता है यार, अगर tan होना है तो होना ही है. नहीं भाई, sunscreen is important even for guys for that matter. Like sunscreen अगर तुम नहीं यूज कर रहे हो तो तुम भाई क्या कर रहे हो लाइफ में? If you're a girl watching this and you have a boyfriend, प्लीज गिफ्ट हिम अ सनस्क्रीन. अगर उसके पास नहीं है तो यार प्लीज, सनस्क्रीन इज सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. लाइक इट लिटरली calms your skin down, it literally protects you from the sun, it literally protects you from that bekar si garmi. Next and the last product that comes into my skincare routine is obviously, to not forget, my lips, is a lip balm. Lip balm के बिना मेरा दिन ही नहीं चलता. Like I apply lip balms 100 times a day क्योंकि मुझे ऐसा लगता है यार, नहीं यार lip balm लगाओ, नहीं यार. I have so many lip balms, like I have finished so many lip balms, I have so many lip balms उधर पड़े हैं मेरे lip balms, मुझे दिख रहे हैं. So I feel like lip balms play a very important role in your skincare routine. Now I recently got my hands on this Laneige lip balm. I really wanted to try this lip balm and I thought, why not to just give it a try. This is in the vanilla flavor, and when I applied it on my lips, I was like, yeah, I mean, मेरे पैसे वसूल हो चुके हैं. Literally, like, I love this lip balm so much. And once this gets over, I'm sure to try more variants of this lip balm. Now, the best part is I love everything that's vanilla, that smells like vanilla, cupcakes and all of that. And this literally does the job. Like, this literally is it. This literally makes my day to another level. Like, when I apply it on my lips, it feels like I am having like a vanilla cupcake or something, and I absolutely love it. Of course, now for every product I have cheaper alternatives. अब ये Laneige का lip balm बहुत महंगा है, okay? So I have got like a cheaper alternative for you guys, which is the Vaseline's lip balm. Same ही है. This does the job. Like this does the job. This is like a jelly, a skin protecting jelly, and this is in the cocoa butter variant, and I love the smell so much. इससे पहले मैं यही यूज करती थी, and you can see how much I finished this one. I love the smell, and इसमें normal वाला भी आता है जो भी बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा है. That was it, and this sums up to my entire summer skincare routine. I gave you guys a lot of cheaper alternatives for what I usually use in my skincare routine. I shall be coming up with more such exciting episodes on Summers with Nush, and I cannot wait to shoot challenges, more fun videos for you guys on YouTube. If you've got any other ideas for me to try this summer, please feel free to comment down below. I shall look into it and shoot a new video. That was it for episode 1, and I shall see you in my episode 2 soon. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and do not forget to follow me on Instagram. Bye.